Hi viewers. Today I'm making yam breakfast that you can present in celebration of a loved one. Personally, I'm celebrating Nigerian culture with my humble contribution. It's also the week of Mother's Day. So, I encourage you to experiment with this affordable gift of a breakfast. Bring a smile to the mothers in your life. Otherwise, people around us are worth celebrating every day. Most of the time, it doesn't cost much really. So, I will share my recipe and presentation of steamed yam, poached egg, and fish stew with you. Yam is one of the staple food in Nigeria and other West African countries. Also, Southeast Asia, and the Caribbean regions. Now, cut your yam into slices of 1.5 centimeters or just over half an inch in thickness. Immediately throw each slice into a bowl of water as you cut. It would help if someone else starts washing the yam right away to avoid darkening. But if you're all by yourself, wash the slices thoroughly once you finish cutting the rest of your yam. Wash the slices until they're not slippery anymore. Line your oven pan with foil. It helps if you can get a large foil that can cover the entire surface of the pan. Take care not to cause a single hole in the foil. If you're steaming just a few slices, cover each slice separately because that is the most effective way to steam. Most vegetables are more flavorful steamed than cooked, and steamed vegetable doesn't absorb much water. You can also use your steam pot. Place your yam slices in the pan, leaving breathing spaces in between. Drizzle half a cup of water on all the yam slices or just enough water to cover the base of your pan. Season all the yam slices lightly with salt. Cover your yam slices with foil, making sure not to leave any opening. You don't want any steam to escape since you're depending on it to cook your yam. In this way, no flavor will escape or be washed away either. Place your yam in the oven until it is soft yet intact. Your yam is best when it is soft enough to break with your fingers, yet firm enough to stay in shape. Use a table knife to test whether your yam is well cooked. You may also want to taste a piece to make sure. If you are satisfied with the texture and taste, remove the pan from the oven. If not, you may add water if necessary and seal again. Now that we are celebrating our loved ones with this dish, cut your yam into heart shapes, using cookie cutters. Remove the heart-shaped yam gently onto the exact spot you want it on the plate. Ideally, you would have already dished your stew and made space for the yam. The fish stew was made from tomato gravy, which is in this channel, identified by the shown thumbnail. Check out the recipe for tomato gravy on this channel. After cooking tomato gravy as such, add canned fish. It looks good if you don't chop fish into pieces. It will break here and there while you're cooking, but you should be able to save a few. Make sure to clean your canned fish because fish is usually canned with some of its internal organs that are not so pleasant to eat and to look at. This you do by gently opening your fish in the center, and removing the bone and anything you may find in there. Once you're done cleaning your fish, pour it gently over sizzling tomato gravy on the stove. Simmer for a short time. Just until the fish sauce that came from the can has simmered. Then, mix tomato gravy and fish gently. Switch off your stove, close the pot and leave the fish to saturate for a few minutes. The final element, now. Poached egg. Boil a little water in the pot. Just enough to cover the base of the pot. Add salt. Add a little cooking oil to the boiling water. Crack your egg gently and directly into the boiling water and oil. Reduce the heat to very low. Close your pot until egg is cooked by steam to your desired form. I like mine well done. And voila! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.